on these niggas, man. Ooh. Fast car straight out the garage. The same niggas still on the same boulevard. MLK, nigga, is where I play, nigga. Where the fuck you stand is where your ass a lay, nigga. Don't even get it twisted, nigga, get it right. I told you a soldier steal a thug's life. And in the bitch world, my nigga, I'm guiding light. You playing with me, dog, you must be Fisher Price. Cause you got the right game, but the wrong one. Fucking with me, dog, I leave that ass down. Boy, look, I ain't the one. Stunting on that ass is a habit. Money is a must, bitch, nigga, gotta have it. Yes, it's Young Trap, nigga, aka Travis. Fucking with me, nigga, look, kill the madness. Gotta get this paper, dog, Hellraiser, yo. These niggas already know a block blazer fall. I seen this shit, seen it all, must get it, must be with it. The attitude that I told, dog, is committed. My attitude shitty, outcome ain't pretty. And I'm sending niggas on runs like I'm P. Diddy. Stunting hard, nigga, check my motherfucking registers card. Uptown Outlaw, never change, heavy up in the game. These niggas talking all that shit, none nigga in the range, lay low on that kind of smoke, nigga. California, hey, you already know I do this shit all day, every day. From the project hallway, lay back with the AK, anxious to let the bitch spray. Stunt, nigga. Fuck around, get your ass done, nigga. Told you, Young Trap is the one, nigga. Get your mind right, got that iron tight. A young nigga, thug, nigga, looking thugs like Tupac, and nigga still cocking, nigga still blocking. I cock it back and shot him. That's how the game goes. Fuck the lame move. Lil nigga, young nigga, about the same old bullshit. Pull quick, young nigga, gangsta shit. Fuck with me, get your shit split real quick. Hustling all day, nigga. Get it right. I tried to tell you motherfuckers out of mind and out of sight. Still, I got my paper right. These niggas must not know that I be nothing nice. Fucking with me, dog, it's like a paradise. That ass gon' crap out. You already know what war is about. Seen a whole lot of money, but I must see more. Seen a fuck a whole lot of bitches fuck with us more. Cash go get to the same little nigga. Uptown out.